Hey, welcome back for another episode of Control Your Brain. It is Monday of Daylight Savings Time, and I just recorded another podcast where I stumbled over my words a couple times, and I want to tell you why. Because my brain is moving slower today, because today tends to be a day of the most disruption in people's brain patterns because we lost an hour of our lives yesterday. And yes, I know time is just a construct, but I also know that having to get up an hour earlier is very challenging for most people. So today I want to offer you a note of motivation and inspiration is this week, give yourself more self-care time and make sure you give yourself more rest. When you struggle with your words, or when you make a mistake at work, or if you are less engaged in traffic, all things that are proven by science to struggle on this day, it is because your brain is using more theta or delta, that sleepy, slow, and extra slow mode. And it's because it hasn't caught up to that automatic transmission of the circadian rhythms. So squeeze in some rest time or more relaxation time. Get yourself into bed earlier so that you can get up earlier and kind of smooth the wrinkles out. If you have children, it's extra important that they get into bed earlier so that they can get circadian rhythms online again with this time change. This way we can rock out an amazing spring together. But remember, it may take a couple days. That's why that self-care is so important. All right, until next time, control your brain or it'll control you.